Boys, we got a freaking banger of a video today. I haven't been this excited since like Christmas when I was a kid, but it's like June or April or July. I'm not sure what month it is. Anyway, because I'm so stoked for this video, I want to put together the best giveaway we have ever done. As far as I know, we've done some bad ones, bro. This one's gonna be pretty sick if you guys can nail it. All I ask, and this is not impossible, it's gonna be hard for sure. 7,000 thumbs up within 24 hours. I'm gonna hit up my boys, and exactly what we're unboxing today, I'll get a custom one made for one of you guys. 7,000 thumbs up. Leave a comment too. Also, my Instagram's right here. Just go follow it and tell me on a message that you did that. Back in action. We're back in the action, boys. So quick update, won't take too long. Been updating you guys on this for like a long time now. 5 videos straight, boys. We've been monetized. You guys know it's been real hard. I don't know why. It just is. YouTube doesn't like the channel. I don't blame them. It's not the greatest, but I try my best. If you guys want to help us keep getting monetized, just show love with comments down below. Really appreciate it. Thank you guys so much. Now let's get on to the craziest unboxing. I'm so stoked, man. This is great. Insert meme of white kid getting super stoked about diamond grills. Lastly, man, just real quick, if you guys also want to support the channel, our website is down below. We got free jewelry. All I ask you to do is pay shipping, and you can add 2 free things to your cart for the price of 1 shipping. So go do it if you want to. That'll be at the bottom of the description box, because more importantly, I gotta shout out my boys who actually sent this package in. As you guys know, we're unboxing some diamond grills. Man, this isn't sponsored by them. They actually did hook me up with a really good price. In return, we're kind of just working together, and I'm gonna link them and give an honest review. Their website's right there. One thing they did want me to say, if you go on their website and you want real diamond jewelry or like real grills or something like that, that's something you have to DM them for, because they don't have it on their website right now. They got to get that updated. So you got to go to their Instagram if you're interested in anything. That's down below as well. Without further ado, let's get into these grills that we just bought. Oh my gosh. We're gonna hyperventilate. GRILLZ, man. This is something I've actually been rocking for a long time, weirdly enough. Back when I hit 10,000 subscribers, probably 7 years ago, I bought myself 2 teeth of gold grills. I think that cost me about 300 bucks at the time. I've always really been into this. Now I'm gonna tell you guys right now, what we're unboxing isn't a full set, and there's one reason and one reason only. Because I'd look like an idiot. That's it. I'd look dumb. We just both know that. Imagine me smiling with a full set of grills, and I'm a YouTuber. It's weird. However, I like the minimal effect of grills, which is why we actually are unboxing 3 teeth. Same placement kind of what I had last time. It's just minimal, and it won't look horrible. All right, man, so we gotta get into this. The package is right here. First off, I just had an idea because I know some people might be interested, and I totally forgot to do this when I was making them. Obviously, when you're getting a set of gold grills done, you have to like mold them to your mouth or whatever. So I just want to show you guys kind of how it works, because I find it like super fascinating to watch. I don't know why. I just think it's kind of cool. But this is how it looks when you're gonna do a mold for a grill set. I am no way a professional, and I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I will 100% screw this up. 100%. I'm so excited. I'm also kind of prolonging this a little bit because I really want suspension for myself, mainly. Suspense? Suspense. I'm not a bike, nor am I a monster truck. Suspension is not the right word. So what you do is you take these 2 colors and you mold them together. I'm also showing you this because if you guys ever look in the future to get something like this, you know where to come. This is your tutorial from an idiot. So what I've seen is like you don't want to take more than like 30 seconds doing this, so I should probably be moving a lot faster. I'm not gonna lie, I got my girlfriend to do this when I was getting my grills done because I'm very incompetent with a lot of things. So you get it around there, make sure not to eat it. I know it's kind of tempting for most of us. If we were used to Play-Doh when we were younger, we probably ate it. Then you put it here in this thing, you know, kind of evenly, and I did my bottom teeth. You just do this, right down, you don't talk, and then you push it along your, I screwed this up already, and you leave it till it dries. But I don't gotta leave it till it dries, so I'm just gonna eat it. That's how you make your grills. Now let's get into it. Sorry, we're done. So I don't know if he necessarily wants me to share the pricing on this. If you guys want something like this for yourself, oh, it comes in a box with a bow. Let's go. If you guys want to know pricing, I guess hit him up. Like I said, he gave me a nice deal. I think mostly because he probably loves my videos. I see no other reason. He must think I'm the jam. Let's go, boys. We got the gift wrapping. Is this going to my girlfriend? Absolutely not. She gets her presents in a plastic bag. Let's go. We got another box. Crazy. And we have Empire Jewelers right there. Just remember, their link's down below. Go show them love. I actually think they have other stuff on their website too, so do that if you wish. Let's go. Oh man, oh man. Leave thumbs up down below, boys. And also, leave your honest opinion. Is this stupid? Here we go. Box is cool. whatever. This is big, man. I've been waiting a while. Shipping right now is taking forever. You know, all this stuff going on around the world is really screwing up my shipping. Oh my God. That was a good oh my God, by the way, boys. As y'all can see, those are my teeth. It could be a little better, it could be a little worse. Let's not look at that. As y'all can see, we got the diamond. You can't even focus it, the sparkles are blinding you, I'm sure. Look at this. Look at it. Oh my gosh. So what we got is, actually, I totally forgot. Kind of a purpose for this video was trying to make them pretty cheap. So what I did is I actually got, instead of white gold, could have done it. Didn't really see a need because silver looks like it and they're just in my teeth. Nobody looks at them like that. I actually just got silver with real diamonds on them, like this. Now, if you guys notice, what you can see right here is this one is not diamond, these ones are. And I still have Play-Doh on my teeth. Ugh. If you guys look, when I talk, I generally talk, this is why I got replacement, I generally talk like most guys do from like the caveman era. I'm pretty sure that's where it comes from, or not, I'm not sure. I talk with like my bottom teeth showing, so obviously I'm not gonna get any grills that are on the top. It's unnatural. So if you actually look at how I talk, I'm being natural about it. The tooth over here, that's the silver one with no diamond on it, you don't really see it too much, but you see it a little bit. So I wanted there to be a little bit of color there. Sorry, I'm putting the wrong side of my mouth, my bad. Anyway, boys, there it is, up close, just like freaking diamond out. Now let's put it in, let's see how they look, and be honest, you guys let me know. I don't care, regardless, I'm gonna wear them. Oh, they're so comfy. What? I swear to God, bro, the last ones I got just dug into my gums like crazy. I thought they were just supposed to be uncomfortable. Boys, as y'all could see, it's just minimal. I'm now gonna just want to talk like this all the time. I dig it. I gotta cut off this video. I just want to go look in the mirror. I'm stoked. It's sick. It's great. Thank you guys so much for watching, man, for supporting. Hopefully we can keep bringing more of these like real videos. And Empire Jewelers, hit them up down below. This is great. I'm stoked. New video tomorrow or the next day. Another video of real jewelry. So we're trying to kill it, man. I'm putting my money where it should be to entertain you guys and make myself look very sick. Blah.